Today we are starting a very significant initiative in Carlsberg. We are launching the Carlsberg brand across the globe in all our markets, 140 markets in the next few weeks and coming months. It's with one selling line, it's the same visual identity, and it's really asking people to step up and do the right thing and then get a very nice reward being a Carlsberg, with a selling line being that calls for Carlsberg. The Carlsberg brand has very strong perceptions, a lot of strong values, but we believe we can make it a lot bigger and a lot more important in many markets and to many consumers. That's why we're doing it. So with a new kind of positioning, we make it relevant to more people, and we think we can, by doing what we're doing here, really start exploiting this unexploited potential the brand Carlsberg has. We have big ambitions, and as a company, we have set the ambition we want to be the fastest growing global brewer, and what we're doing here is support that. And we have set an ambition for the Carlsberg brand to minimum double the profit we make in the next 5 years, so by latest 2015.